Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. This is difficult time for everyone. Each one of us need to take care of ourselves. I just want to share with you that today is the 6th day after I tested positive with the COVID. I'll quickly talk through the journey so far. I got my test done on 4th of May, 5th I got the report. This was my second test. Before this I got my first test done on 27th of April. There was delay in the report. I got my report after around 1 week. It was negative, but I had mild symptoms. I thought to go for the second test also. I had throat infection. So second test that was done on 4th of May and 5th I got the report. It was positive. I need to make first point here that anytime you see that there is any symptom which is matching to the corona symptoms, please get your test done. This is the immediate thing that you need to do. Reason for that is because in case you are just infected and you get your test done, you start your medications, it will prevent a lot of things. So the first point, whenever you see there is any symptom related to corona or matching with the corona symptoms, please do not hesitate, do not ignore, and get the test done. This is first point. The second is, as soon as you learn that you are corona positive, obviously there is a lot of change that happens in the family. I think that we can discuss later once I'm fully recovered. But a couple of points I need to make today. The reason for that is because if those can help somebody, that'll be good. Second point I need to make is, as soon as you learn that you are COVID positive, please start your medication immediately. So there are no second thought. There are no different medicines, but still I would suggest you that you recommend or you consult with your doctor, and as per the guidelines, follow the guidelines and get all the medicines and take them. So start your medication immediately after you are positive. So same thing I did. 5th May I got to know that I'm corona positive, and I isolated myself, and then ordered all the medicines which are required. So I have been taking those medicines since then. The reason for that is, it's not something that I have fever and all. I do not have fever. I did not have fever any day. The reason for that, I somehow feel that I have been taking the medicines regularly. There's no it's not something I will get fever then only I'll take the paracetamol. Once you are positive, there are 4 medicines which you need to take. Normally there are 4 medicines which you need to take, but still I would not call out their names. Paracetamol is something that is common, but other medicines you can consult with your doctor and accordingly take those medicines. And so this is the second point, that you need to start your medicine immediately. Third thing is, I would suggest to please do not watch new channels, because those channels will impact your mindset. Will have negativity, because right now whatever is happening in India is very difficult to digest, and do not watch the new channels. You can avoid them. You can watch the comedy shows or anything that is normal thing. That is the other recommendation that I have for the people who are positive, corona positive. Other thing is, do not wait for anything to come. That means I only had if I talk about the as of now what all I have gone through. One, I still have the throat infection. Other, there was stomach was upset for 2 days, and one day, complete day, I had headache, but I did not have fever till now. But for last 2 days I am only having the throat infection. There is no other symptom that is there. So I somehow feel that because I have been taking all the medicines, even if there are I mean, let's say if I don't have the fever, still I'm taking the paracetamol. Same way, the couple of things which couple of medicines which we need to take care of, which we should have, is vitamin C, very important, and the normal desi nuskhe that we follow, those we need to do. One more point was there. So other point I need to make here is, if you think that you are physically fit, and the corona will not harm you, or corona will not impact you, this is totally lie. To become strong internally, follow the yoga asanas, like there are pranayam that you need to do, alom vilom that you need to do, and those those will give you relief. So these are the points which we need to take care. And if you start your medication immediately after you're positive, there are chances that you will not get most of the things like fever and all. If already fever is there, or then only you're getting your test done, then obviously you need to avoid that, and you need to take care of that. But in case there are mild symptoms, do not ignore. Give 5 to 6 days to yourself only, completely to yourself. Only 5 to 6 days, and take care of yourself. Leave everything else. Then only it will help you to recover. So these are the points those I just needed to make. I think once fully recovered, we can discuss all other things which are there. But yeah, obviously right now I'm halfway, we can say I'm recovering. Obviously there is no other, you can I think with the way I'm talking, you can guess, like you can get the idea that I do not have many of the issues with the health. But yeah, once fully recovered, we can discuss more things. We can discuss, because once you go through this COVID journey, you get a lot of experience that you do not get anywhere else. Thank you.